नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज सब लोगों के साथ 1:2 बोनस इशू। स्टॉक skyrocket 17% after announcing strong Q3 result and bonus share. Synopsis B2B Software Technologies Ltd shares rose 17% after Q3 result, with revenue up 53% YoY, raised 8.28 crore and net profit up 91% YoY to 1.24 crore. Along with it, the company also approved 1:2 bonus issue subject to shareholder approval. The share of the penny stock company specializing in implementing and upgrading and supporting Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP and CRM solution are in the focus following the 1:2 bonus issue and strong Q3 result. With a market capitalization of Rs 41.74 crore in Sunday of share of B2B Software Technologies Ltd jumps up to 117.1%, reaching a high of Rs 40 compared to its previous close of Rs 3.115. What happened? B2B software. Microsoft Dynamics, B2B Software Technologies Ltd engaged in implementing, upgrading, and supporting Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP and CRM solution in the spotlight today, as it has announced it is the Q3 result as follows. Its revenue from operation rose by 53% YoY from Rs 5.40 crore in Q3 financial year 2025, Rs 8.28 crores in Q3 financial year 2026, and it rose by 8% QoQ from Rs 7.66 crore in Q2 financial year 26 to Rs 8.28 crore in Q3 financial year 2026. Its net profit YoY rose by 91% from Rs 0.65 crore in Q3 financial year 2025 to Rs 1.24 crore in Q3 financial year 26, and on a QoQ basis it rose by 97% from Rs 0.63 crore in Q2 financial year 26 to Rs 1.24 crore in the Q3 financial year 26. The earnings per share EPS for the quarterly period stood at Rs 1.07 compared to Rs 0.56 in the previous year quarter.